Waterproof marine speaker. Comes with two marine speakers that are waterproof with a standard size of 5.25 inches each. Can be used for several vehicles because it has an anti-corrosion feature to withstand heavy water splashes and other outdoor conditions. Audio speaker system. These Wakeboard tower speakers have two-way full-range audio for a complete stereo speaker system. The power output is 180 watt max. It has a frequency response of 80 Hz to 18 kHz and 4 ohms impedance. Low-profile design. Constructed with a low-profile design that can be easily installed on boats, marine watercrafts and other off-road vehicles. The classic black look also gives an extra style to the vehicle. Weather-resistant. These weather-resistant speakers are made of aluminum housing for a rugged and durable design. They are also engineered with Ohms machined gasket and grille to combat sun damage caused by ultraviolet rays. Top reviews from the United States. Great speakers. This is a long-term report. After shopping several outlets brands for an outdoor marine speaker, I decided to try these. Compared to most others, these were an incredible bargain, and I was concerned about their longevity in a marine environment. The boat they are installed in stays outdoors year-round, docked in a slip, so they are exposed to all manner of weather conditions. After over a year in use, they are still working great, have good sound, and I am thrilled. Highly recommended.